Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how the Atlas credit card works. Atlas is a modern membership-based card with no interest, but it does charge a recurring fee of $8.99 every 4 weeks or $89 yearly, which funds perks like a membership deposit account, credit tracking, and subscription manager. Approval is fast and friendly even with poor or no credit, thanks to a high acceptance rate above 95%, and your spending limit is based on your linked bank account and can grow over time. Atlas also offers a smart pay feature that automatically pays down your balance to keep utilization low, and they report on time payments to all three major credit bureaus monthly, helping build credit efficiently. Rewards include up to 3% back on essentials like gas and food delivery, 5% for subscriptions, 10% at 50,000 plus stores, and even lucky swipes that occasionally return up to 100% cash back. Additional perks like cell phone protection, extended warranty, auto rental coverage, and travel assistance are included. And the built in bill negotiation tool helps you save even more. But it's not all perfect. Some users on Reddit say SmartPay can be hard to disable, and complaints center around monthly fees and inflexible payment timing. Still, with thousands of mostly positive Trustpilot reviews noting a big boost in scores and smooth app use, Atlas positions itself as a helpful tool for folks rebuilding or building credit fast. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful financial guides like this.